Hi everyone, I am Jessica Nebaker, and today's game day, so go Thundercats. My son is in middle school, so it's just middle school football, but we're pretty excited for him for his game today. To answer a few questions, where am I from? I live here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and yes, people do live in Lake Havasu City full time. It's out in the middle of the desert with not much around it. We're about 2.5 hours from Las Vegas and 3 hours from Phoenix. And people come here to vacation, and a lot of snowbirds live here part-time. But we have made it our home, and we love it here. We love the lake and the atmosphere of Lake Havasu and the small community. I am taking this course to fulfill my communications major. And I have to tell you, I have been waiting, so excited to take this class. When I saw what classes were available for my major, this was the class that I was like, I can't wait till we get to this one. Because I'm interested in learning about conflict management and, most importantly, negotiations. This is because I have found in all aspects of my life, whether it's in relationships, family relationships, friends relationships, in jobs, in leadership positions within the church, community events, and organizations that I'm part of the community, that there always is going to be some form of conflict, and I need to be able to overcome that to fulfill the goals that have been set forth. And I have a tendency to be a little confrontational, not on purpose. I just have that in my personality that I work on trying to not make other people feel uncomfortable because of that. So this class for me personally is going to be something personal for me. But I also think it's really going to help me as I go forward in not just a career path, but all aspects of my life. So my goals for this course is to learn as much as I can that I can apply to myself personally, that I can take a good look at who I am and make some adjustments based on the knowledge that I'm learning. And then my other goal is, with all of my classes and with all my courses, is to learn, but to make sure that the class does not impact my family life in a way that is negative. And so sometimes that means that I need to be really good with my time management, and that's a goal. Or it means that I need to be really involved in including my family in what I'm doing and explaining to them what I'm learning, so that it becomes something that they're invested in as well. And so my goals intersect with our course outcomes and objectives, I think, very clearly and in a way that is obtainable. So I'm super excited to work with you all in this class together, and anxious to learn more about what it is that we are going to be studying and learning. So I'm off to read my book and get ready for the football game. So thanks, guys. We'll see ya.